Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, Bitcoin is at $47,000. I'm on my way to my next destination and I have to make this emergency video for you guys just to quickly update as to what is happening on CME, because CME is very important for us. Like, not just very important, it is extremely important, and the levels just got updated. Remember, CME Levels, this is basically where huge orders from big players are at. Now this is usually where our targets are at for long trades or short trades. And plus there were some very important news. So let's just jump straight into this. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember that I'm placing my multi-million-dollar trades over on Bybit. And this is the exchange that I actually trust. And with my exclusive link that you can find down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. And actually, here is all the bonuses you're getting. And most importantly, all deposited users are getting access to my VIP crypto community. This is where we post a lot of incredible altcoin trades and Bitcoin trades, Ethereum trades, and we are doing exceptionally well. As you can see, I'm not a traveling coach, so we are doing exceptionally well. We're making good money in crypto. So if you want to be part of our community, join Bybit or BitGet using my links down in the description of this video and put in your UID of the account that you create using my link inside the Discord. There is also a link to my Discord in the description of this video. It's called my VIP crypto signals, whatever. So, and that's where we're gonna let you in. It's a bot, so it's gonna let you in automatically. And yeah, so it's a great place to trade. And BitGet also gives you up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and they still don't require KYC in select countries. So now let's go over some very important stuff. And I did show you this stuff as a precursor about the volume that, you know, we saw a lot of buying, and that actually gave us huge momentum to the upside, and then we actually saw even more selling, but the price went down much in smaller increments. This means that there is a huge buyer, and this is what I told you before as well, just a small recap about the liquidity. And the liquidity here up to 49k makes more sense for the market makers to actually move the market higher and then lower. So, but that's something I already told you about, and so far so good. So call me Mr. Spot on down in the comments. What is more important is these a few pieces of news before I come back to the chart and show you the CME levels, which you must be aware of. So basically, this is this right here. Spot Bitcoin ETFs expected to be approved on Wednesday and could begin trading this week, according to CNBC reports. So that's why Bitcoin is pumping. Everybody's going crazy because right now the final deadline for ARK Invest Spot Bitcoin ETF is in 2 days, like in the next 48 hours. So the history will be made, either a positive one or a very negative one, within the next 48 hours. So also, CNBC is saying that trading of spot Bitcoin ETFs could begin Thursday or Friday, actually this week. And some companies are predicting like 100 billion of inflows this year, which is not significant, but it's something. For a beginning, it's not too bad. So, but something that is coming from Citigroup right now, I think is more important for you guys to pay attention to, and that is this right here. A group of former Citigroup executives is starting to offer securities backed by Bitcoin that they say don't need approval of US regulators. So imagine starting to offer securities backed by Bitcoin that they are so in rush to do this, and they supposedly don't really need approval from US regulators. Now this shit is crazy. Like, I mean, this is freaking amazing. And also, before I come to the that's why next 48 hours, guys, get ready and subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be showing you my trades I'm going to be taking, because right now I want to see what's going to happen with the ETF, and then I'm going to be going in with the trade. So, and also remember that before I go to the CME levels and show you the chart and stuff, I think that once the ETF hits, we're going to have a huge pump, and then possibly we'll have the sell the news type of an event. And just to give you some, you know, power of will, and just to kind of help you go get through this, even if we crash to 30,000, 35,000, 40,000 once ETF is approved, just remember that, because I'm not going to be selling any of my Bitcoin. I might short Bitcoin, I might open a short trade, but I'm not going to be selling my Bitcoin. I'm never going to sell my Bitcoin below 150,000, 200,000, 300,000. Just remember, even if we're going to see a correction now, like almost every previous bull market, before I pump, especially when the halving happened, we had a small dump. It's not a guarantee. It could happen, it might not happen, but if it does happen, just remember what asset you're holding. And this is this right here. Bitcoin versus other assets, the yearly return comparison. Like, I mean, this is from January, February, like this year. This is basically, yeah. So this is like so short period of time, and you need to remember what returns, which asset brings the best returns. So here we have gold, like Jesus Christ, who the fuck is still buying gold? 12%, S&P 24, Nikkei, Nasdaq, Tesla, Bitcoin. And guess what? It will stay like this for many years to come. So what I'm trying to say here, even if you're gonna see a big correction, remember that we are positioned correctly in the best, most soundest asset, technically, fundamentally, politically, whatever, in the whole entire world. So now, this brings me to the chart. And we actually spoke about the chart so many times before. Congratulations on all the profits that we've made together. The chart looks like this. It is absolutely beautiful. And we have this breakout, and we are in this take profit area. But what matters the most, actually, we are seeing this breakout to the upside. There is a little bit of volume. But what we care about is the CME levels. So these are the levels of big players placing big orders and waiting for the price to come there. And there is two scenarios actually right now statistically from the CME. So pay attention right now, because this is something that not too many YouTubers are actually sharing. So if I'm gonna zoom out, well, actually squeeze this, the two scenarios are right here, the two zones, the lower zone and the upper zone. And the upper zone is 52,000 to 58,000, and the lower zone is 25,000 to 31,000. These are the very strong areas with huge orders, and this is where, for the market makers, for big players, it makes sense to send the price to either one. So once again, this is just official level sent to me by my team, 52-58 zone, and also this zone, 25-31. And there is just statistically a statistical chance of either target being hit in January, so in this month, within the next 3 weeks, with a 68% probability and a 83% probability by the end of February. So this again, once again, the statistical, let me just zoom this in, the statistical chance of either target 68% within January and 83% statistical chance of either target by the end of February. So this is what we are waiting for. So we're actually waiting for huge volatility, and this volatility will be decided either to the upside or to the downside by the momentum, like, or the buying and selling pressure that will be happening because of the ETF approval or rejection. Because trust me, if it's going to be a rejection, we'll possibly see a lower zone much faster. If it's going to be an approval, we might see either one. So I'm going to keep you updated as to what is happening. We're going to pay attention to liquidity, to volume, and I'm going to keep you guys posted. And remember to open an account on Bybit or BitGet using my link down in the description of this video, and you're going to be getting these incredible bonuses. And as always, as for myself, it is time for me to have lunch on the plane. So I'm ready for it. Okay. Yes, let's go for it. And thank you guys, thank you very much for watching. Peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Check out this quick tutorials to help trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.